The rowing machine is without a doubt one of the most efficient and effective ways to get in shape and be healthy. In this video, we will present 5 different rowing machines that will cover your rowing needs. And if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.
Come on, CITYROW, let's get to work.
Push yourself on our rower.
Feel that?
Challenge yourself on the mat.
You've got this, Amy.
Show up to find your strength.
We got one more rep.
I'm your high-fit coach for today. Let's go and do it.
This is quite an intense workout. I'm excited to be doing this with you today.
So we're moving our stroke rate up.
A little bit of resistance.
What have you been working for? What are you fighting for? Put it into this push.
Good, we're in our training zone. Nothing's gonna knock us off.
Watch me now as we transition to the floor. Bring it down. Keep going. Bringing the knee across the body, forward with the left. Come on down. Drive up top. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's move. Let it all out there. Almost done. You got less than 10 seconds. I know it's a tough one. And just staying loose in the arms as well.
Intensity was through the roof. I'm so proud of you, that muscle burn.
I'm your iFit coach. Let's get to it.